how can you create your Tumblr app. So in the first, you just click here on continue with your Google. Here, just click on it. When you click it on your continue with Google, it's going to show for your emails. Then can you choose email you want to sign up. So I'm going to click on it. So when you add your email, it's going to show for you like this. You just within to show for you like this here, and here you just click on this sign. It's going to take you to your profile like you see here. Go above this sign. So then here can you find your account settings. You change your email, your password, birthday, login options, into your security. Here can you manage your notifications, and here can you find your messaging here. Who can send to you message, and here your replay sounds, privacy. So and mentions here, dashboard preferences. Here can you manage all this here on your account. If you want to enable or disable here optimist videos or disable double tap to like. So in here can you log out in this list, or here can you delete your account. So in this list here, can you when you click here on pages here, can you, if you want to disable or enable likes in following here. So then here can you manage all these systems here. Can you find it here in this list. So then here in this list, when you just click on it, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here all activity, and here your messages here. You will find all messages you have. Then when you click on this sign here, you click here on Google, and you found here your communities here. So can you find it in this list. Then when you just click on this sign here, it's going to show for you like this TV here. Just click on let's go, and you will find it here. So in here can you create in this list. So when you click here on create, it's going to show for you like this. In here add title and handle, tagline here, and you add tag. So then here if you want to upload banner here, and add upload avatar here. When you're down here, so you just go above create, click on it, then it's going to create with you. So then here can you search in this list, just click on it here. Then here we will find search Tumblr in this list. So and when you click here on this sign here, it's going to show for you like this. You click on this sign here, then here can you create in this list here. So can you just add here, use these systems here. You click here on post, then it's going to post with you here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.